Hello friends, in this video we are going to discover the best time to visit Vancouver. Kindly make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon before we start this video about the best month to visit Vancouver. Also post your favorite season to go to Vancouver in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too. Vancouver, a bustling west coast seaport in British Columbia, is among Canada's densest, most ethnically diverse cities. And if you're looking forward to visit Vancouver in the near future but confused about what is the best time of year to visit Vancouver with family or friends, watch this video till the end to clear all your doubts regarding when is the best time to visit Vancouver. There are a few special places in the world that are true, year-round destinations. Vancouver is one of them. The best things about Vancouver: the food, the culture, the gorgeous landscapes can be enjoyed 365 days a year. But depending on the type of experience you're seeking, there are certainly some times of the year when Vancouver shines a little brighter. Each season brings with it a fresh perspective on this vibrant, cosmopolitan city. Whether it's browsing a gallery in fall or hiking a mountain summit in spring, there is always an adventure to embark on. If you're wondering when to visit Vancouver, then take a look at our seasonal roundup. When is the best time to visit Vancouver? The best time to visit Vancouver for great weather, cheaper prices, and smaller crowds is from April to June and September to early November. July and August are the best months for warm weather, sunny skies, and little rain, but also see higher hotel rates and larger crowds at top tourist attractions. Best time for sightseeing in Vancouver: the best time for walking the streets of Vancouver and the city's beautiful parks, without bumping elbows with hordes of tourists, is in May and September. During these months, you'll have a good chance for sunshine and pleasant temperatures, along with spectacular views from spots like Grouse Mountain, but the crowds have yet to arrive, or are beginning to dissipate with summer coming to an end. Best time for whale watching in Vancouver: one of the most popular activities in Vancouver and the surrounding region is whale watching. You'll find a wide range of whale watching tours to choose from, and many offer a guarantee that if you don't see whales on your first attempt, you'll get a free trip aboard the same vessel you traveled on. For the best experience, include 2 days of whale watching in your itinerary just in case. Best time for a cruise in Vancouver: getting out on the water by taking a boat cruise is a great way to see some of Vancouver's most stunning sights from a completely different but wonderfully spectacular perspective. If you're hoping for a sunny day, on which you can step out on the deck, capture a photo, and admire the views, the best time to hop aboard is in July, August, or early September. Best time for skiing in Vancouver: many people head to Vancouver for the opportunity to participate in snow sports, with Grouse Mountain just 20 minutes from downtown. The best time of the year for skiers is generally in the spring, particularly from mid-March through late April, though the mountain is often open from about mid-November through May, and sometimes even into June. Vancouver travel seasons: high season in Vancouver, June through August. The summer months are the most popular for visiting Vancouver, due to the warmer weather, festivals, and opportunities for practically endless outdoor activities. If you go during this time, expect bigger crowds and higher accommodation rates along with mostly sunny skies, especially in July and August. Shoulder season in Vancouver: April and May. Spring may be the very best time to be in Vancouver, when the city typically enjoys mild, pleasant weather with a mix of sunny and wet days, though the rain usually isn't enough to put a damper on outdoor plans. As the temperatures rise, the flowers begin to bloom, and this is a great time to score better bargains on hotel rooms, before the summer tourists and cruisers begin to flood in. Low season in Vancouver: September through March. The low season spans both autumn and winter, and for those who are hoping to find the biggest discounts on hotels along with fewer crowds, this is the best time to visit. September is a particularly fabulous month to be in Vancouver, with lots of beautiful, sunny days, though the temperatures gradually begin to drop as autumn officially kicks in. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content of this video, Click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this. Post your favorite season to visit Vancouver in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too.